was just after daybreak. In their living quarters at Turgon Monastery, young monks braved the winter chill of Bodhgaya, diligently reciting and memorizing texts for the day's debate. They were among the 800 students from 10 Buddhist institutes, known as Shedras, gathered here to take part in the 16th Kagyu winter debate. The 17th Gyalwang Karmapa Urgentini Dorje has been actively involved in the planning and guiding of the students at this annual gathering since 2004. At the 16th Kagyu Winter Debate in 2012, the Karmapa introduced a new idea, a debate tournament between the Shedras, and he invited scholars from the 4 major traditions within Tibetan Buddhism to be the judges. This novel debate tournament took place in Turgon Monastery, India, from November the 21st to December the 13th. The debates were organised around 3 topics: Rudra collected topics, Lorid classification of mind, and Tarik classification of reasons. The 5 judges are from the Nyingma, Khenpo Tashi Dorje, from the Gelug, Geshe Rinchen Mudruk, from the Sakya, Khenpo Jamyang Churpel, from Drigon Kagyu, Khenpo Kunchok Churkap, and from Dukpa Kagyu, Khenpo Jampi Yundan. Since none of them were from Karma Kagyu, their evaluation would be fair and impartial. Khenpo Tashi Dorje commented, due to the adoption of a competition format this year, the students were exceptionally attentive and enthusiastic. By and large, their reasoning was clear and they studied very diligently. The students' schedule was packed and varied. In addition to the 2 formal debates in the morning, in the afternoon they gathered in the main hall to listen to the Karmapa's commentary on 100 short instructions by the 8th Karmapa, Migyu Dorje. Much of the remaining time was spent in the Minlan Pavilion debate ground, practicing debate. The Karmapa indicated that though there would be winners and losers in the competition, no one should be too concerned about the result. The most important thing was to stimulate the learning and reflection of the students and to inspire their studies back in their schedules.
가서다 다가서 상마다 섭섭진이 저버저임서는 운에 엄말리자 믹스기 되네 로제 라서다 되네 가지되는 엄말리자 라라지 라섬섬지다 아니 그래 가면 굳이 돼야지 소섬섬지 주나 되네 네 운에다 다와지 링데 운에 배 기부를 주는 되네 다와지도 간에서 줘봐 한 먹거든요 좀
다들 갑라니야 차샤바이나 아니야 지 전적인 넘버도 진도 전에 빼면서 아니야 릴람라 컴페타야 다가나신 지 아니야 아니야 딱지 땅에 내가 없이 임바이네요 아니 지 수진 원에 강한 섭섭다 아니야 지 아니야 수진 누바 가지 여바디 때문에 지금 아주니야 배진다 마선나니 샘슈다 마선나 계제 니야 델라페 미시기네 펜도다 기준치면 용되기도.
After 2 rounds of heated competition over 18 days, there were 2 finalists left in each topic. On collected topics, the 2 institutes were Lavashedra and Sherabling. On classification of cause, Bokkashedra and Sherabling. On classification of mind, they're Lava and Bokkashedras. These winning Shedras will compete in the finals on December the 13th to establish the champions and the runners-up.